Okay, what point in the calibration are we at?
I said, do you want to see Jaden get really mad? Watch this.
We have to run the car.
So we're at the point now where we've set
So
all the
that's all.
targets again.
Yeah, that's all calibrated. Or yeah, all set.
All the targets are set.
It said, have Jake get in the car and start it.
Yeah, turn the car on.
It's actually what it says.
Okay. Calibration progress, please wait.
Turn off ignition.
Just push the button.
You guys.
Well, I'm
No, not you. Them. There you go.
Key on, so hit the button twice.
Mm. Calibration done.
We made it.
Calibration successfully completed. Hit continue.
We're done.
All right. Nice. Congratulations.
You just did your first camera reset.
Good job.
After having never touched a freaking scan tool in his life.
Yeah, we weren't looking at this.
All right. So what's next?
What's next?
Somebody else gets to do it now.
Not coming up.
No, it doesn't like that. Is the ignition on? Let's turn the ignition on, please.
February 24th, though.
On? Okay. There we go. All
So how do you know
right.
which one we're doing?
All right. So the first one we're going to do is the SCT 815.
Why is that?
So that is the older fixture. We're going to do that because you guys need to know how that one gets set up because there's a bunch of those out there.
So is it two different style tests or is it just two different targets?
Two different style targets. How about that?
Is it calibrated the same though?
Similar calibration. The setup is different.
Okay.
So we're going to do front radar aiming, the SCT 815, the 815. I got to go find that fixture and find the tool cart that has all the other stuff on there that you guys are going to need for it. You can probably should change it.
So, we're doing
Uh,
not even
No,
not even close.
We're doing that one.
SCT.
Yeah.
yes, the 815, 815. Yep.
That's
Because
what
that,
it's
so there's two different radar fixtures. So the 815 is the one that Mateus just brought in here. 815 is this guy. This is the older original version.
That's the new one.
We just released the newer one, which sets up completely different. So we're going to do both, but we're going to start with the old school one.
In the event the customer only has the old school.
Correct. And so you guys can live the pain of having to set this up.
Our equipment, you got that. Green line laser. Oh,
There you go.
all right.
We have a green line laser.
Do we?
Okay. Yes.
Do. Corner reflector. Yes, we have that.
Corner reflector. Yes.
Black distance laser holder. It's number 4.
We have the laser holder on there.
Yeah, but yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. It's the bottom thing down there.
Okay.
It's that thing.
And then the red distance laser, which
Which I believe is this right here.
yep.
Yeah. So,
All right. Gonna click continue.
this function is used to align a front millimeter wave radar sensor.
Mechanical vertical alignment of the radar sensor must be within OA specification before performing this
Okay.
calibration. So we're assuming yes.
Yeah.
It's within factory spec. And the calibration.
It's just telling you when to do it.
Mhm.
Okay.
It must be
On
on
the surface,
properly
blah, blah,
aligned.
blah, free of objects, no
Objects.
damage, 10 meters, yada, yada. Okay, go ahead. Continue.
Oh shit.
Verifying radar reflection target. When you press
Mid, will indicate a display for 2 seconds, then no target. Make sure the no target is displayed. Make sure system is activated. Some vehicles may have a main switch on the steering wheel. If no target is not displayed on the mid, it's unwanted radar reflection in the front of the vehicle. Okay. Okay.
oh, I'm just reading it. Okay. It's gonna click.
Don't look at it.
It should say no target. And it threw an error code.
Turn, target preparation.
It detected some obstacles. I wonder why. Get out of
Did
here.
we follow the instructions the right way?
Turn the ignition to the off position.
It's off. Car's off.
We haven't put no targets in there.
We're just following the instructions.
Are you sure about that?
You sure about that?
There ain't no targets or anything yet. No.
All right. No one stepped near the car.
All it said so far is this is the equipment required.
Yep.
And that's it.
Really?
Ignition on, engine off.
MID or something. What did it say? Like 3 screens ago.
It said when activating those systems, make sure you have nothing in the way.
Yes, sir.
Kicked us out. Didn't like it.
Oh, I didn't like it.
All right.
Is it because
Back to front facing radar.
Is it because you're standing in front of the
There,
board?
there's a
Car not on?
whole host of things.
Okay.
Oh, yep.
I thought the car was off. I didn't see.
Let's get out of here.
Radar is on.
815. This.
Capture photos.
We saw
Okay,
that.
mechanical vertical alignment of the radar sensor must be within OEM spec before performing the calibration. We would refer to service information to find that spec, put a vertical level on the radar itself, make an adjustment. We're assuming at this venture that it is correct, but just for argument's sake, we would do that first. That's what we would do. Okay, perform calibration when? Blah. Continue. Required preconditions. Vehicle must be on level surface, correct tire size and pressure. Front of the vehicle is free of metal objects. So this page, we should be doing these steps first. Do we see a big metal object in front of the car?
All right.
Let's move the big metal object out of the way.
Fine, big.
Big. This big.
All right.
Charger on the other one.
So it said it needs a minimum of 10 meters, right?
That's a plastic
Yep.
tire.
So let's slide this guy off to the side here.
Make sure there are no damage to the front of the vehicle. Done. Clean the front emblem or millimeter wave radar sensor unit. Can we assume that it's clean enough?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Remove all excess weight from vehicle, luggage, heavy objects, etc. Require space free of all objects, 10 meters in front of vehicle, 5 meters side to side. Okay.
Are we in agreement?
Okay. Scram. All right. No touchy.
All right.
Verifying radar reflection area. When you press continue,
The mid, the MID.
display for 2 seconds. And display no target. Make sure no target is displayed. Make sure the system is activated. Some vehicles may need a main switch on the steering wheel. No target is. So do we have to get in the car?
We need to go look at the dash.
Okay.
Go look at the dash.
I thought it didn't want you within 5 meters of the outside of the car.
During the calibration. But right now we can be this close. It's okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna hit continue.
So some vehicles may have a main switch on the steering wheel. So see where it says main?
Yeah.
Main.
Okay.
Okay. Now click continue. Watch the screen.
There you go. No target.
It says no target.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about what we're doing here, guys. So on this step, the reason we got caught the first round is because we went past this set of directions we just got on here that actually talks to the car and tells it to fire the radar to verify that there's nothing in the way. Okay? So we go through this process. We turn the main switch on the steering wheel. We hit OK. It runs through its little process here, and you get this little no target box up here on the dash. And again, essentially, it tells the car to fire the radar to make sure there is nothing in the way to do this calibration. It's kind of Honda's way to keep everybody in check to make sure that we're doing this kosher, right? Okay. So from there, we're good. The car's happy. This is why we're now able to move to the next step. The first time we did it, we had the DAS 3000 out in front. So it saw that and said, oh, wait a minute. Nope. You're not listening. You're not following my directions. I'm not going to let you move on. Okay. That's strictly a Honda thing, Honda Acura thing. They're the only manufacturers out there that are doing something like that. Okay.
Sounds very Honda.
It's very Honda. Yes.
I think we just need the stand. We don't need the DAS 3000. I think we just need the stand.
What does that?
Well, follow the directions.
Say, Jake, what do we need?
The stand. 4,000 millimeters away.
Read it out for us.
Using the string line or laser, make a line passing through point B for the radar stand distance. So from point A to point B must be 4 meters.
4 meters. From axle point A, measure distance to make point B as shown in image for each side. So we just need to put tape on the ground?
All right, so it wants us to measure from A to point B. So what we need to do with A, it looks like that's from the axle.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, in that toolbox on that kit over there, or in that kit on that toolbox over there, there's plumb bobs. We are gonna use plumb bobs for this procedure. And we're gonna split the tire in half. And then we're gonna measure out away from the tire to point B. That's gonna be your 4,000 millimeters or your 4 meters.
That's from the front of the, yeah, it needs to be from the front of the axle.
Big titties.
That's why we need a plumb bob. We have to make line A is the center of the axle. It has to be 4,000 meters to the where you're standing. 4,000 millimeters.
So we got an actual plumb bob?
Yeah.
I mean, look, that's a chalk.
Anything could be a
Every
plumb
choke.
bob.
Oh shit! I didn't know that. Like that's chalk, guy. That's not fucking shit.
You've had a plumb bob your whole life.
What? No way.
Okay. So what are we doing? How would you go?
I was today
what
years
would you
old.
use to measure that? Just a piece of tape?
Learned I have 2 plumb bobs now.
Nice bright yellow tape. I have one of each. Well, no. Who's got a
Sharpie?
Who's got a Sharpie or pen? I got a pen. Somebody make a mark.
Okay. We got a
All right,
mark
do the
there.
same thing to the other side.
I haven't pressed it. Continue yet.
Yeah, only the best around here, man.
Measure distance to make point B.
Seventh grader over here. I'm not looking down. I'm gonna do it.
What was that movie where Samuel L. Jackson was like, like he was working on like a computer?
So you got to take the
metrics.
So
Pick
you
the
were just
tape.
handing me the tape.
Nope. So somebody grab the tape and the pen from Colin.
Bro, that's not meters.
That's meters.
Yeah.
That one's metric.
What was it, 4,000?
Right there.
We're gonna verify with the laser.
Oh, there it goes.
Easy, easy. Yeah, make sure she's kind of sort of square.
Yeah. Here, Mike. Watch your knee, Mike. Okay.
We're gonna
4,000 there.
Put your hand down. Trust to verify.
Really long boy.
Well,
You're in the wrong spot.
Okay. So
still long boy.
We were waiting to
Using
put
a
the
string
radars.
or laser line, make a line passing through point B. So now it says using string or line laser, make a line passing through point B. Point B are the two marks we just made outside here.
B to B. A piece of string from B to B.
Got any chalk in that thing, or are we just gonna?
That's dry.
It's dry.
Nobody likes it in the middle, right?
So are we just gonna run a long piece of tape between the two? Is that okay? To make a line?
No, just put a piece of another.
Measure out a center point.
Yeah, or you can do that too. Find a center point, put a piece of tape. That's fine.
So 96 3/4.
A quarter. You said something and a half, right?
Yeah, 96 3/4. What's 3/4 of a millimeter?
30 thousandths. It is.
Freaking Josh.
0.03.
Leave it to the machinist.
Yeah, there you go, making sense again, dude. Jeez, please. All right.
537.
That's all it says. Do they want us to set
Make a line passing through distance point B.
which we just did.
Okay. So if that's it, then we'll continue for the next step.
Okay, I'm hitting continue.
Front radar aiming. Position radar stand. Place green alignment laser on the top of the stand adapter plate.
Green laser's already on there.
Okay. Open the rear hatch trunk of the vehicle.
Just trust the process, boys.
Oh, so like that's
Trust the process.
So we have something like solid
Okay.
Except they're mine.
Turn the alignment laser on.
Does this thing go the front view or back view?
We're playing Ouija, or how are we doing this?
It just says place green alignment laser on top stand of the adapter plate.
What part do we want it to?
Doesn't say.
Doesn't say front
It's
or
radar stand distance. It says just using a string or line laser, make a line passing through point B, and it's just a line. When you hit continue, positioning the radar stand, it would appear that the stand is right, like the marking would be on our center line there. Okay.
Now it's more than 4,000 millimeters.
Now it says open the trunk. We've done that. Turn alignment laser on. We've done that. Align reflector stand with the front and rear emblems of the vehicle to find center. Can you see the rear?
That's pretty darn close.
Center of the wiper nut. So we need to put it in the center of the emblem here.
I'm moving the back instead of pivoting the whole thing.
Go to the left. Right there. Stop. Go to the right just a smidge. Right there. Stop. No, that's not. It's off. So you have to move just the back, I would think.
You would have to go to the left on the front point. But yeah, but the front's way up. Look at the front.
That means this whole fixture needs to move to the left.
Yeah.
Pushing out on the mark.
Well, yeah. You can't,
That's just our. That's just the line that stand has to be on. It doesn't necessarily need. It doesn't necessarily say it has to be perfectly centered. It just needs to be on the line so that we can line the lasers up to both emblems.
Where am I at? Right. So that's what I'm saying. So can we just scoot it this way?
Yeah, that's a lot closer.
That's pretty good.
Okay, that's good. Good. Okay.
No, it's still off now.
I think it's pretty good. The radar. The look at the laser and the radar. The radar looks about dead nuts.
Yeah, but not on the back.
It's what? Like a half an inch.
Right there?
Okay, good. Okay.
God, why does it
Align
have to be
reflector
all the time?
stand with the front end and rear emblems where center lines meet up. Where center line meets distance line, make point C. So now we got to make a point C on the.
Okay, so it means center line, which is what our laser was, with point B. So we're off just a little bit, so we need to make a mark right here where this little notch is at. Okay?
Oh, wait.
Not terrible. We're off. We're not
For Hunter, that's a little off.
for doing this with string and plumb bobs. It's pretty good.
Good thing this is a washing machine.
That's our point C. Okay.
Right C next to it. Oh, there you go.
So our God actually needs to be in line with the space that extra crosshair.
Says height sensor lower edge. With the distance laser in the horizontal position of the black tray holder, point the laser and adjust the height to the lower edge of the radar sensor.
Yeah, where's our?
It's on the thing.
It goes on that?
Yep, just sits in the little tray. About like so.
Okay.
Turn it on.
Okay.
All right. So what's it
Now
telling
it
us to
says
do?
it says With the distance laser in the horizontal position of the black tray holder, point the laser and adjust the height to the lower edge of the radar sensor.
So this needs to go up.
Maybe like right around.
You can still go to the left with the tray as well.
Yeah. Try not to move. Yeah, there you go. So try not to move the whole fixture. Just move that. And then a little slider.
Clamp it.
Even with the bottom edge. Yep, about like that.
Okay. We like that?
Slide over a little bit.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
Loosen the locking screw located on the back of the stand to raise or lower and lock when correct height is achieved. Level radar stand and remove the distance laser tray.
Okay, let's read that again. I'll read it one more time.
It says level radar stand and remove distance laser tray.
Now we will level the radar stand. We're going to leave that on there. Because we level it first and then we take it off. Because
That's gonna throw that off when you level.
this acts as our level.
Hey,
Oh, not that.
This is for side to side. This one's for front and back.
yeah, just your laser.
Your laser's
Don't,
on.
don't worry about that right now. Don't worry about that.
reading.
We already did that. Right?
Now it's
Sorry.
too low. Now it's too low.
We're gonna fail. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just get the radar stand level. Remember, follow the instructions as you read them. Don't overthink it.
Okay.
When you start trying to think you're smarter than the system, that's when you start running into problems.
Okay. And
What the? Oh, it's shaking. Hold on.
crank that back.
We need to
Dial
go
up.
down. Up?
No, oh no, that's just showing you which direction the laser's going.
You got 50-50 shot.
Repitch it to the car.
What?
Almost there.
Going the right way. Yeah, it's just this logo.
Keep going.
She's sensitive.
Yeah.
Okay. That's level. Stands
It's
level.
It's staying green. It's just bouncing
Okay.
between one.
That's okay. As long as it stays green, how are we up there?
Good.
So we don't have to make sure that that laser's now still at the bottom of the radar.
Hit next.
Okay.
Continue.
And it's going to say redo that.
Height offset. Wait. Level radar stand and remove distance laser tray. So remove the distance laser tray now. Okay. Now it says for the height offset with distance laser in the vertical position, adjust the height upward from its current height.
Tell us to remove it.
Yeah. Now it says put it in the vertical position.
Nope. Measure from the ground up to the ceiling.
Okay.
I had a 50-50 shot.
With
I
the
mean, you were
distance laser in the
close.
vertical
You were
position,
close.
adjust the height upward from its current height to 22 millimeters. You have to level the radar stand first. So everything's still level.
We took that off.
Remove distance laser tray when complete. So it just needs to be 22 millimeters from the ground.
Now we gotta adjust.
22 from the ground? Millimeters? That's like.
It says height adjustment upward equals 22 mm.
Huh.
Adjust the height upward from its current height,
So where it's
22
at right
millimeters.
now.
Yeah.
So.
We need to go to
649 and a half.
672. 671 and a half. Come up,
Gotta get that half millimeter.
down. Down. Stop. Oh wait, 671, right?
Yep, keep going down.
671 and a half. Yeah.
Stop.
Bump it up just a
Up
hair.
1 millimeter.
Yep.
I'd start tightening it down. Maybe.
Come down just a hair. Yep. Perfect. Tighten that bitch down.
So we're 1.5 millimeters off.
Wait. Maybe right there.
671.5. Okay. Now it says to level a stand,
Okay, let's make sure the stand's
level
still
radar stand. Everything still good?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now it says remove distance laser tray when completed.
Okay.
Continue.
Sure nobody enters the area of calibration. Do not turn off the scan tool or ignition switch. Do not move or shake the vehicle during
All in.
calibration. Close all doors.
Including the rear.
Make sure the ignition's
Yep.
still on.
So we're just going to close the rear trunk hatch. Okay. Notice, ensure that nobody enters the area during calibration. Do not turn off the scan tool or ignition switch. Okay, let's come back here.
Step away from the vehicle.
Okay.
All right.
Do not move or shake the vehicle during calibration. Do not get in or out of the vehicle and close all doors. Okay.
Hey, don't touch the car.
Nobody touch the car. Here we go. Test conditions. No DTC present. Ignition on. In case of sensor alignment failure, check the alignment conditions, turn off the ignition key, then reperform all the sensor alignment procedures. Press continue to begin radar calibration. Okay. Aiming misalignment tolerance must be within plus or minus 0.1 degree. Refer to service manual for radar sensor adjustment instructions.
Horizontal, we're off by a 10th of a degree.
Okay. It sucks.
Okay, but is that a setup issue or is that in the core itself?
So what? That's it. We have to start all the way over.
Nope. So it's actively firing the radar right now.
Mm-hmm.
Refer to service manual for radar sensor adjustment instructions.
On this
Yep.
So you're aligning here. I'll say what it's tighten. How are we looking?
So, yeah, what direction are we moving? Oh. Hey, make a small adjustment, then move.
Oh.
Because it's maxed out right now.
Yep. Go the other way from whatever you just did.
Hold it. Hold it. Okay, you're going the right direction. We're down at 0.91.
We're back up to 1.1.
Oh.
Minus 12.80. That's too much.
I think because they're filling with it.
Yeah.
Okay. Move your hands.
Closer.
Okay. A little more.
Keep going.
Still 0.91.
Once you take that over, take that over so you can see the live data, so it's not like.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, isn't it gonna?
Just put it down on the ground so you can see it.
Oh wait, so
You're adjusting for the horizontal.
yeah.
Yep.
So the vertical's
So
going.
you're 0.91 still.
Okay, so yeah, try that one.
Sure. Man, you get into the way of our calibration. We're firing the radar right now. You're in the danger zone. My knees.
Okay, that
Where you at?
moves- yeah, vertical's going good. So keep going that direction.
I would assume so. Yeah.
All right. Yep. You're good there. So, oh no, yeah, we'll hit it one more.
Where you at? 0.19.
He's touching it now. 0.3 when it's stabilized.
Still 0.30. I'll go a little more. Is it maxed out?
No.
Is there an adjustment on the top to bring it out?
Hit this one now. See if we can get the horizontal.
Remember, the more people we crowd around this thing, the more it's going to interfere with that reading too.
Okay, where's that?
Keep going.
Make a good turn.
Still 0.19.
Yeah.
Well, it says to look at the service manual to find out how to do the adjustments, but which ones have you guys tried so far?
So this corner is moving vertical. This one did move horizontal before, but it hasn't changed. Oh. 0.71 now?
Well, no, it's because I'm standing in front of the radar.
I'm sorry. Do you guys only have 2 screws?
Yeah. You would think it would be.
It's not. There's not one on the top.
Give this one.
2 on the top, 1 on the bottom.
Nope. One in the
The other way.
Yeah, one on each corner.
Okay. Then move to your horizontal.
Yeah. All right. Yep. So give that one
Just
hell.
gotta go. Yeah. Exactly. Get that one out. Moved it like 3 times. It didn't do anything.
Perfect.
And moved it another 0.2.
Keep going.
Give it double hell.
Hey.
Damn, almost there.
Almost there. We got to be under 0.1. Under 0.1.
Give the bottom one 2 turns. Oh. Hey, all right.
Oh,
Yeah. Give
there it
that
is.
one.
Continue just lit. Oh, nope.
Yeah, it's because his hand was in front of it. Yeah. But yeah, we adjust that vertical a little bit more.
Stabilize because it always jumps. Oh,
Okay.
shit.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Continue.
Calibration successfully complete.
Calibration successful. Okay.
Well done, mates.
All right. Now, you want us to restart the whole thing with the other stand now?
Yes.
Okay.
We're going to restart, do the whole thing with the other stand.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, somebody just lost something.
So,
Run over those anyway, right?
Yeah, just run them. You don't need them.
They're just rubber.
It's fine. Won't hurt nothing. Turn the ignition to the off position. We're off. That's okay, yeah. And ignition on. Easy.
you're just standing in front of it.
Yeah. Radar fixture take 2.
3, 2, 1.
Please wait.
Okay.
There you go.
So now,
Ta-da. All right, so I think the only thing we need to do now is we need to tell it that we need to tell the tablet that we have the other fixture. Okay, so we're going to go to change fixture. That's going to take us to that menu here. And we're going to go find that CTA
It
120.
won't prompt us to select it when it gave us the 2 options.
It'll be there, but
CTA 120.
it had a little exclamation point by it that said we didn't have it.
Oh, okay. So we have to tell it.
We're going to
Have
tell it that
first.
we've got it.
Gotcha.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to go front-facing radar. And then CTA 120.
So it won't even let you select it there unless you have it enabled. Basically.
Yep. And then we're going to follow the instructions on this one. the destructions.
This function is used to adjust the 12mm radar sensor. Mechanical brittle alignment of the radar sensor must be within OEM spec before performing calibration. Okay.
It is vertical because we just made it vertical. We had the measurement to prove it, right?
Verifying radar reflection area. When you press continue to the MID will indicate display for 2 seconds. Then display no target. Make sure no target is displayed. Make sure system is activated. Some vehicles may have a main switch on the steering wheel. Okay.
Remember, this is that same step where we got to verify there's nothing in front of the car.
Everybody get out. From the
So we got to
front of the
move
car.
all that stuff.
All right. Connor, get in the car and press menu.
Hit the main switch.
Or main switch.
Main switch. Main.
On the right side of the steering wheel.
Main.
Say no target.
Okay, so we got to hit continue on the scan tool. Cool.
Okay.
So it's just a, like you said, a slip.
10,000 millimeters.
So this one's different because we're actually going to use the DAS 3000 to position that guy.
Okay.
Okay?
So you put the targets on the front wheel.
Yeah.
So we need a minimum of 10,000 millimeters of space. Okay.
10 meters.
10 meters.
Connect the camera to the laptop or tablet.
10 meters.
100 centimeters.
10 meters.
100 centimeters, so 1 meter?
10,000 millimeters.
No, we said 10,000 millimeters,
Yeah,
right?
10,000.
Yeah, so 1,000 centimeters.
So
No, it's the metric system, man.
this is.
I don't.
Where's that Australian guy that we talked to?
I don't work in communism units here. We use freedom units.
Speak moonism.
Moonism? Yeah, except NASA uses the metric system. So
Yeah, well, they're no funny.
they used to be fun.
They used to.
They do use the metric system, but not when they're practicing in the swimming pool. They use gallons. When they go to the moon, they use.
Like I said, they used to be fun. SpaceX, baby.
When they practice.
Or you want your microphone back?
Oh, sure.
Easy, pal.
Okay, so it says position the corner reflector stand close to the lower edge of the radar sensor. Okay, we've done that. Attach the pointer module to the corner reflector.
What's the pointer module?
I think it's the laser pointer.
Black. Yeah, but is it?
How? Just set it on there. No, I'm just kidding.
Do you use the black bracket from the other one?
I don't know. Doesn't really specify.
Oh no, it looks like there's an actual pointer, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I was trying to zoom in.
Okay.
I mean,
Now it says in the photograph, it shows that the pointer needs to be at the bottom of the radar.
okay, so at the bottom edge of the radar.
Set corner reflector height to lower edge of radar sensor using the pointer module. Okay.
Hold up, Mike. It's got to be the pointer module. Look at this thing. It's got to be the pointer. Look at that. That's exactly what that looks like. Little. That's the pointer module for sure. Makes a lot more sense. And then it has to be touching.
It says attach pointer module to the corner reflector. Set corner reflector height to lower edge of radar sensor using the pointer module. Okay. Slide the offset scale to read 0 at the top edge of the reflector bracket. See image 2 of 2. Change the image. Oh shit. Go back.
So we're going to set this to 0. Obviously, all the equipment operation.
Continue.
Okay, set to 0.
Okay, that's set to 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Move 22 millimeter upward from lower edge of radar sensor using offset scale.
22 millimeters.
You're up 22 millimeters? Okay. Continue. Front radar distance, 0 to 6,000 millimeters.
We have to have both of them. Why is that both front wheels?
Bosch ADAS positioning. It says D1. It says we need to back this up to 6,000 or 6 meters. Well, 6,000 millimeters. Oh, front radar distance 0 to 6,000.
So that's all we have is at 4.
So we need it at 4,000 millimeters. So that's 4 meters.
And we're already set up with marks on the ground at 4 meters. Right? That's what these marks were? Yeah. We got our plumb bobs. Just want to eyeball.
Says continue.
Well, I don't know if we're exactly perfect right now.
No, but all it's telling us is to be 4 meters away from the. This thing needs to be 4 meters away from the center line of the
wheel.
axle. Yeah.
Well, that's okay. It's just remember, that's just a
Just letting you know that's where you're going to
right.
be. Okay.
That's where you're going to end up. So it'll get us there. We don't need to try to do it for it right now.
Attach wheel holder CTA 100 with the reference board CTA 400 to the left front wheel.
That's going to the back?
To the left front.
One to the left front, one to the right rear.
Okay. So on the left front. Recording position of reference boards important. Both reference boards CTA 400 must be fully visible in the camera image. Okay. Well, that's blinking.
Lincoln.
Jesus Christ. Remove the wheel holder CTA 100 with reference board CTA 400 from the front wheel and attach it to the rear wheel. So move that one to the rear. Make sure it's level. Okay. And select continue.
That movie came out 33 years ago.
Attach both wheel holders CTA 100 with reference board CTA 400 to the left and right rear wheel. I already did that. Okay, locate the DAS 3000 in the required position. So now we need to move this thing.
Oh, you watch?
Yeah. So bring that left side around. Oops. Let's go to your left.
Like everybody says that, but it's like 15 years
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait. Okay, yes. 18 years old. Yeah. Okay. I'm stopping.
Okay. So it says it needs to go 45 millimeters forward.
I have the lockdown on this side, so if it's like,
Okay. Okay. So we're green. Continue.
that's the measuring board and the DAS 3000.
Set target height to 1,000 millimeters. See image 105. Make sure the pitch angle setting is positioned correctly. So that bar,
That's 1,000 mil.
this bar needs to be 1,000 mils.
Remember, that scale is in centimeters.
Well, it sure is.
Set.
This side has to be at 100.
It just says set target height to 1,000 millimeters. See image 105.
Derek.
100 in the air.
Yeah.
They can go down.
Okay. Good. Okay. Make sure the pitch angle settings positioned correctly. Since number 2, we're in number 2. Okay. Attach bracket to the slider and set to the center position of measuring bar. Take this bracket.
Birds aren't real.
Attach the bracket to the slider and set to center position of measuring bar. See image 305. It just says attached to the sliding bar. Go to the center.
Upward like this or the other way?
The other way.
The other way?
Yeah.
Facing down. We want the box in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. Align the CTA 120 base plates. Next image. Okay. Align the base plates.
See image
Together.
4 or 5. Oh, the base plate's on the. Says the notches need to be aligned. Good. Notches aligned. Okay. Level the CTA 120 using the spirit level of the base plate. So is it level? Okay. Position the CTA 120 into the corner of on the bracket. See image 505.
What? You just kind of trailed off there.
It says position CTA 120 into the corner on the bracket. So now it's asking for that thing to come here. Okay, so grab that.
Am I grabbing that here, or
Yeah.
are we bringing this there?
I don't know. It doesn't.
Okay, so let's time out for a minute. Let's think about that.
Okay.
Where do we think we want to calibrate the radar from? Distance-wise?
Back here.
Back here or up there?
Back here.
So how about we bring that back here?
Okay, so grab that stand and bring it back here. Just place into the corner. All right, is the plate level?
Yeah.
Bottom plate level? Okay. All right. Continue. It says release the DOS 3000 brakes. Move the. What are you doing?
Because the feet are rubber and you're up against metal, it's going to slide up here, so the base isn't quite.
Okay.
Level is on the pivoting portion, and that's level.
Okay. You good? Okay. Now it says release the DOS 3000 brakes. Move the DOS 3000 away from the radar's field of view.
Go back. Go straight back. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a quick pro tip. Hold on. Time out. Quick pro tip. Once you get to this step, before you try to move this DOS 3000 out of the way, because we had exactly what was going on with Connor over here. He was moving the DOS 3000. This bracket was starting to push on this. Right? Take this guy, the slider, move it out of the way. So that way this isn't touching on that. So you can move this without having to worry about knocking this around.
Okay.
If you move this out of position, then you got to start over.
Right. Okay.
I'm lots of fun.
Okay, so now we can pull this out of the way.
Okay. Now pull that lock.
You mean engage it?
No. Is it a pull?
You got to pull it up, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now it says move this out of the way of the radar's field of view.
So out of the way, out of the way?
Out of the way, out of the way.
Calibration accessory position completed successfully.
Needs to be 10 meters away.
That's probably
All right, that's good.
20.
That's good. That's good. Okay, now it says select continue to perform calibration.
Okay.
Shutting down Bosch ADAS positioning sensor software.
Front radar aiming.
Ensure nobody enters the area during calibration. Do not turn off the scan tool or ignition switch. Do not move or shake the vehicle during calibration.
Close all doors.
Close all doors. Is the car still on, Brandon? Good. Okay.
Run it.
All right. Everybody get away from the car. Warning. This radar transmits radio waves during calibration. Ensure that there is a distance of at least 20 centimeters away from any body of a person. Okay. Aiming misalignment tolerance must be within plus or minus 0.1 degree. Refer to service manual for radar sensor adjustment instructions.
So which one was wrong?
The horizontal.
No. We were just aligned with the other tool, so now we're showing.
Says horizontal misaligned.
Let me ask you this. Which setup process do you guys think you were more accurate with? This one or the other one with string and plumb box?
I trust the other one because we bumped this twice.
I was gonna say, well, does it matter that we bumped that when we were moving?
Yeah, I mean, maybe.
Because it's 800ths of a degree off. So if you bump that at all,
Right.
we're done.
It's entirely possible.
Look where our tape is compared to where our tape is there.
I don't know.
Okay. All right, so grab the tablet and the tool. We'll just have to make our adjustments until we're good.
No, just the tablet.
Yeah, you can unplug that.
Yeah, you can unplug that.
So I'm going to be frank with you guys and tell you that I trust you guys with this setup process better than you doing the string and plumb box.
Because this is measuring off the or the
Correct. Right. With the string, you think about we would have had to get that plumb box perfect. We're using the tape measure. We might have
Right.
off a little bit.
And this was cameras and targets, and so that's why it's more accurate. Okay. Okay. So.
No. Yeah. Correct.
Ever watch your knee, Jared?
And overshoot it by a bit because you're going to need a lot for the horizontal. You almost want that to be a negative number. Hey.
Put that one.
You don't want to record him right now?
No.
Son of a bitch.
Got it.
All right.
Good. Now move on to your.
Oh, that. Am I negative? I'm 0.
Yeah. Also, don't lean on the grill.
Oh, good point. What?
0.1.
Shit.
So you're.
What way am I going? I'm negative already, so I'm clockwise.
Yeah. Pull that tool completely out and reevaluate. Okay. Yeah.
So going the right way, right? Because that was 1.
Yep.
Jared cranked the shit out of this thing last time.
Yeah, you're basically undoing everything he did.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
How are we doing?
Good.
Of course,
About
we're
halfway
getting
there.
We're at 0.10. We need to be 0.01.
No, give or take 0.1. So we're good on vertical. It's the horizontal we're playing with now.
Okay.
0.27.
And closer.
Oh, was that positive still? Or negative?
Negative.
Okay. Just want to make sure I didn't overshoot it.
All right, try that. Hell yeah, continue.
Now we can hit the continue button.
Correct.
My fat finger get it? Oh.
Oh, no. Now it's,
There you go. Successfully completed.
successfully completed. All right.
Okay.
Sweet.
I agree, though. That's a lot. That was a lot off. To
Yeah. Also, if you want to sell one of these, loan them one of these for a week.
there you go. Right.
All right.
Yeah, I feel like I did. How accurate do you think we were the first time? We got 2. There's 2 fuzzies.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, I think we should do it again.
Extra fuzzy.
All right.
So, again, I'll reiterate that you guys definitely were more accurate with this process, setting up this stand, versus doing it the other way with the string and plumb bobs. And then, we were kind of fighting with that laser a little bit, getting it square. If that's not square with the car, you don't have it perfectly cut in half, that's probably going to influence whether or not that radar is going to be off 1/10 of a degree, right? I mean, we're pretty minute adjustment there on that. So there's a lot of variables that can go in to make that a problem, okay? So, yeah, it does not shock me at all that we saw one result, adjusted for it, and then set up this one and saw something completely different, okay? Yes. Yes. Way better than just ignoring it. Yes. This is totally fine.
Okay, so we did the same process. We had the pointer tool this time at the bottom of the radar. We raised it 22 millimeters. We brought it back to this point, but that set our distance and squareness.
Right. Exactly. Versus you guys earlier had to measure it and square it yourself with string and plumb bobs. Yes. Yep. You got it. You got it. All right. Questions? Comments, concerns, rude remarks?
Actually, you can see too. Look at our mark here. You can even just see just from that alone.
Yeah.
How much further off this setup was.
Right.
From our first one.
Because let me tell you guys this too. So the guys that are doing this, the OE way per Honda's instructions, where they don't have any of this cool equipment to set this stuff up, they just got the PVC pipe with the little radar gizmo on it. When they get to that point and they've got that radar firing this way, to try to get that intolerance, you know what they're doing? They're not adjusting the radar. They're going, yep, nope, other way. Oh, yep, there you go. Now we're good. Right? Is that the correct way of doing that? Probably not. Right, exactly. Right. So, point being with that, if I'm a technician and I do it that way, do it the Honda OE way, and I'm flubbing the numbers by just adjusting the target here to get things where I want them to be, this car gets returned back to the customer, it gets into a wreck, right? Guess who they're coming after, right? And if they see me on the dealer camera out in the shop doing this kind of thing and not actually turning an adjustment wrench there at the radar, guess whose ass it is?
The dealer's not even going to cover you.
No.
It's his fault. He wasn't following procedures.
Yeah, he didn't follow the OE documentation. He did not do that repair correctly. That is on him.
You no longer work for Honda. You're going to jail.
Yeah.
The answer is always the factory torque spec and the sticker, the impression that's on the flag.
Yep. And that's the thing the OEs are starting to come to realize, which is why this is becoming as big as it is. Because doing it the OEM way, you have zero documentation through that process. I have to completely trust that my technician is doing it the right way. They're measuring things with the string in the right spot, the tape measures in the right spot, they're hanging the plumb bobs the right way, right? We're doing all that stuff and trusting that they're doing it correctly when I have zero documentation to back that up, right? So it becomes a pretty hefty liability issue at that point.
That's probably why it's so sensitive and finicky. It's not being absolute.
Yeah. Yep.
With that service plan, you're just giving it to that guy that's doing that because he's knocking them out.
True. Right. Yeah. He's getting them in and out quick.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, this guy, he's never had one fail.
Yeah.
He's giving them all to that. Hey, I got 3 more for you.
And the guy doesn't mind doing it because he can beat the book on it. Right. He's getting paid. Okay. All right. So next is a break because it's almost 2:30. I was going to steal the bolt so we could do that, but the Camry's not back either. Okay. Tell you what. So we're going to come back here. We're still going to use this CRV, but we're going to set the tablet up into demo mode, and we're going to mock up a couple other calibrations. I want to do one that uses the flat board for doing radar, so you guys can see how that board gets hung on the front of the fixture. And then we'll try to mock one up that uses floor mats. Usually I like to use the bolt for doing the floor mats and have you guys do that for the surround view system. Because at that point, we've done pretty much the 4 big systems that the DAS 3000 will handle. Okay, cool? So let's take a break and we'll jump back in here in 15 minutes or so.